just finished installing a 4-car garage in Lancashire where we clad all the walls, put various cupboards and a television set on the rear wall. There's a cloakroom in the back corner, and then a tiled floor completes the lower part of the garage. The ceiling had a lot of detail because it was all bare timbers with various skylights, so we ended up cladding all the ceiling, cladding around the skylights, putting some hatches in to get into the loft area. But all in all, a lovely large garage where 4 cars can come in, plenty of storage space, plenty of walls that can be used in due course when more space is needed for storage.